What kind of workday could it be? There would be no music. And we at Outdoor Elite Woodworks choose Festool SYSROCK. It's nice and small and work with the batteries that we have from other tools. This 5.2 amp battery lasts almost a week at like 70% volume. It's unbelievable. It just keeps going. So like I said, we have had it for about a year. Look at it, still holds up and works really well. We love the sound. We love the form factor that it's small. And we love that it works with the batteries that we already have. I wish I had only wish is that I had a spare single battery for this, because I have a pairs that are needed for the rest of the tools. Awesome Festool